Good day to everyone. This is Bruno TV, and I'm here to give you some tips regarding the Encash 2024. Our topic is Mock Exam Part 1. Again, for every question, I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Without further ado, let us start now. For question number 1, as a school head, what among the following after actual teaching activities are official part of the 2 hours teaching related activities that can be done outside the school campus? Number 1, preparation of lesson plans, action work plans, instructional materials, evaluation, assessment tools, rubrics. Number 2, preparation and checking of exercises. Number 3, attending a meeting of the Faculty Club Federation. Number 4, recording of academic performance, results, and classroom accomplishments. Number 5, conduct of research. Here are the choices. Letter A, 1, 2, 3, and 5. Letter B, 1, 2, 4, and 5. Letter C, 1, 3, 4, and 5. Letter D, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter B. 1, 2, 4, 5. Before we proceed to our next topic, please don't forget to subscribe Bruno TV. For question number 2, who are the signatories in the Cash Disbursement Register or CDR? Letter A, property custodian, school head, division accountant, schools division superintendent. Letter B, school head, division accountant, schools division superintendent, resident auditor. Letter C, school head, division accountant, schools division superintendent. Letter D, school head, school treasurer, division accountant, schools division superintendent. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter C, school head, division accountant, schools division superintendent. For question number 3, what DepEd order that provides the policy guidelines on the implementation of senior high school voucher program? Letter A, DepEd Order Number 14, Series of 2015. Letter B, DepEd Order Number 12, Series of 2015. Letter C, DepEd Order Number 11, Series of 2015. Letter D, DepEd Order Number 13, Series of 2015. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter C. DepEd Order number 11, series of 2015. For question number 4, what is the accounting system used in DepEd? Letter A, Philippine Financial Reporting System or PFRS. Letter B, Philippine Accounting System or PAS. Letter C, Government Accounting System or GAS. Letter D, New Government Accounting System or NGAS. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter D, New Government Accounting System or NGAS. For question number 5, Mr. G is the chair of Bids and Awards Committee or BAC of ABC Integrated School. He was appointed as a school BAC chair on October 20, 2022. The following year, he transferred to another school and replaced the BAC chair on May 1, 2023. Until when shall Mr. G serve as a BAC chair? Letter A, October 20, 2023. Letter B, May 1, 2024. Letter C, December 31, 2023. Letter D, December 31, 2024. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter B.